Welcome everyone. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through building a call center performance dashboard using Power BI. Step 1. Opening and data import. Let's start by importing the dataset. Open the Power BI desktop, create a new blank report. Choose Import Data from Excel, then select the file containing our call center data and click Open. Check the box for Sheet 1. Then Load. Wait a second. On the right, we got the dataset. The Step 2. Page Setup and Layout. Once the data is loaded, let's rename the page to Call Center Manager for clarify. Here, we input Call Center Manager. Now let's create a clean layout. We'll place slicers on the left, key KPIs at the top, and detailed charts below. First, we insert a text box and input Call Center. We can change the font and font size. 28, we choose the bold. Then we insert a line as a visual divider. Move this line and the call center in the format shape. In the shape, we found the style. In the border, we change the width up to the 2px. You can also change the color to whatever you want. We drag this line to the right side here. The Step 3. Adding filters. Let's add slicers for agent, topic, and date to filter the report interactively. Choose slicer in the Build Visual and Visualizations. We found the slicer here. Oh, it's too big. Then we drag the agent into the field and modify the format. In the Format Visual, find the slicer settings. We choose the style into the drop-down. Repeat for topic and date. We can Control+C and Control+V. Again, we can get the 3 filters. Here, the second one, we change the field into the topic. The third one, the field, we change it to the date. In the Format Visual, slicer settings, we choose the style to the between so that we can select a data range. The current font size is a bit too small, so let's increase it to up to 14 for better readability. In the Format Visual, slicer header, here we up to 14. The topic filter, up to 14. The date filter, up to 14. It doesn't change. Yeah, here we go. The Step 4, KPIs. Next, let's visualize the percentage of calls answered and the result using donut charts. Choose donut chart. donut chart. Drag answered Y or N into legend and values. Then we go to the format visual. We change the detail labels in the label context. We choose the percent of total. In the legend, we click title off. Then we go to the general to change the title. Answer. Yeah. We finish these donut charts. Next, repeat this for resolved field. We just need to paste the answered donut and change data. Resolved here, resolved into values. Here we go. Next, to show the average speed of answer, create a card visual with the speed of answer in second field. Card visual. We will drag the speed of answer into the field. Click the drop-down arrow next to the field in the visuals pane. Then choose the average here. So the visual shows the average value instead of the sum. Change some filters in the visual. We set the category label is off, and in the general, we set title is on. Input the title here. Average speed. Yes, we modify the size here. Here we go. To display overall customer satisfaction, let's use a gauge chart. Drag satisfaction rate and set to the value and the maximum value. Value and maximum value. Then we set the value to the average and set the maximum value to maximum. Then we modify the title in the format visual. Title. Here we just call this average satisfaction. Yes, we got average satisfaction. The next step, now we will create a bar chart showing the number of calls per month. We choose the stacked column chart. Drag date to the X and keep only months and remove the other date levels. Drag call ID into Y. Use the answered yes or no as a legend. In the visual, we set the title of X is off, and the value of Y, Y, the value is off. To save more space and make the display cleaner, remove the Y or N part from the legend title. Just keep the answered. In the general, we change the title to the number of call per month. Yeah. Next, let's build a table to compare agent performance side by side. Add a matrix visual and include these fields: agent, number of answers, number of resolved, satisfaction rate, and speed of answer. First, we need to add two new measures. The first one is the number of answered. We click the new measure. Here we input the equation, then enter. We got a new field. The second one is number of resolved. Click new measure. Change the answered into resolved. Here we change resolved. Here. Resolved. Oh, here is the still is call ID. Result, yes. Then we got the number of resolved. Then we drag the agent into the rows. Drag the number of answered, number of resolved, average satisfaction rate, and average of speed of answer into values. Here, satisfaction rate, speed of an answer. Make sure the last two fields are set to average values. Here, choose the average. We drag it to bigger. Double left the name of the value. We can change the number of the column. Answered, resolved, average satisfaction, average of speed, The last step is design and interactivity. Adjust the layout and align visuals to create a clean, professional look. Here, let's drag it to a bigger. In the view, we can choose different theme. Let's choose this one or this one. Choose one you like. Once your report is ready, save it as a PBIX file. To share the dashboard, click Publish and upload it to Power BI service. That's it. You just created a fully interactive call center dashboard using Power BI. Thanks for watching.